Good evening, everybody. How are you all? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty God. I am also fine. Now I am on the rooftop and I am coming here for making a short video. After 1 week later, I come here and today, now I am coming here. Today the environment was good in our locality, and look at the view now. Our area environment, this view is very beautiful now. And now actually I wanted to improve my speaking skill, and that's why when I get free time I try to make a short video for improve my speaking English. Now at this time, it's 5:40 o'clock, and after few minutes later, uh, maybe after few minutes later, the darkness will become, and some birds are going to their uh, home at this time, and they come back their home. I'm share it for improve my speaking skill, and we know very well practice make a man perfect. And now when I talk about new thing, that time I uh, I uh, I cannot speak properly. I uh, uh, I cannot speak properly, and that time I cannot make a sentence, and I make a mistake. But I wanted to overcome it by make a video. If I stop if I stop making video, it will be big mistake to me. That's why I make a video regular basis, and for overcome my this weakness. And I know many people overcome this situation by making speaking video regular basis. From here I got I get inspired from here, and I try my best level for improve my speaking skill. Thank you for watching my video.